Okay. Iawn? Okay. SEO, or as fully described, search engine optimization, is the process of increasing the profile and visibility of a website in the search engine's SERPs within organic search results. Search engine optimization can be described as a set of techniques that help ensure search engines can effectively and efficiently crawl and index your website's pages with the right level of relevancy for the keyword phrases that best describe your products, services, or business. As described above, the level of relevancy directly reflects the order by which your website is returned following an end user search. As you may well imagine, every business that sells the same or similar products will all want to appear above their competitors in the search engine results. User behavior evidence within search engine results pages shows that sites listed within the top 4 listing results will attract the highest percentages of traffic, with a direct correlation